What's up everyone? So in today's video, I'm doing something that I have never done before. As you can tell, it is nighttime outside, so we're gonna take the Tacoma off-road. I have made it once again back to the road end sign. You guys have seen a couple videos so far coming out here where there's that creek crossing, and then actually a couple days ago I went down that way there. I think our goal today is to try to make it to the creek crossing and see what I can do. But as you can see, just behind me is the 6K LED ditch lights. That's all I have on right now. I'm probably gonna be putting on my fog lights and my high beams as well. And then I do need to adjust these lights because I have them pointed straight right now, but I think that I'm going to need to angle them just to the side because as they are called ditch lights, I need to see basically on each side of the vehicle. So I just need to loosen the bolt up underneath it, and that way I can twist these to the side there. All right, and that's gonna give me a little bit more lighting. Oops, I hope you guys can see that. That's gonna give me more lighting to cover this area here, as you can see. So that way I can see on my driver's side. I may just leave the passenger side for right now, but this is a good before and after comparison. You can see how dark it is right there. And then on this side, we have all of that light, plus the headlights and fog lights and high beams. All right guys, so I apologize for the lighting, as obviously it is dark out. I don't have any lighting interior mods yet. But I want to show you guys something from my camera angle here. Right now from the side, you can see that the ditch lights are on. I shut them off. Look at how dark, obviously pitch black to my side. So these ditch lights are going to give me a pretty much a 180-degree view of light to my left and right. So already that's a pretty cool test, seeing all the woods there and now they're gone. And I have a flashlight, so hopefully you guys can see me a little bit better, but this is a little nerve-wracking. I did not air down simply because it's not going to be that muddy out here and we're not going that far. So honestly, it's not really worth it to do that. There's a couple puddles here. I'm not sure what you guys are going to be able to see from the GoPro facing forwards. I just detailed the truck yesterday and there's the first mud puddle. So far, I think the ditch lights are doing a great job. I'm going to pull out the other camera here. So again, I'm not sure how well these cameras are going to pick up the light here, but at least holding this other camera outside for you guys. I should do a test real quick. I'm going to turn my high beams off. I'm going to turn the ditch lights off. Look at how dark it is. You can't even see anything that way. Not too much in front of us, and then even with my fog lights off. So now we'll go ahead and turn the fog lights on, the high beams on, and my ditch lights. Look at how much brighter it is in the woods here. So that's pretty awesome to see how well these lights do at nighttime. And again, the goal is to make it to the creek so we can do a nighttime creek crossing, which would be pretty cool. Well, we can start to hear the water now. We're getting closer, but it does help that we've been down here before. So I'm gonna set up the camera on the outside for you guys. This is that same ditch area that obviously I've gone through a couple times that you guys have already seen. Wow, it looks, oh, you know what? I think all that rain last week washed the ditch out. So you guys, this is that ditch area that leads right, the creek is literally like 15 feet that way, but unfortunately, we got a ton of rain, and this ditch, you guys aren't going to be able to see, it has gotten a lot bigger than it was the last two times that I came out here. So unfortunately, I think we're going to turn around. We'll go head down the other trail because even at nighttime here, I don't want to get stuck in this ditch. It's a lot deeper than it was last time. Otherwise, I would definitely come around here. I have plenty of room to make it over here and even where this track here is, but something has definitely been down here. These are like bobcat trails, you know, like the machine bobcat trails, and it's a little too sketchy right now at nighttime. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to turn around and head to the other part of the trail. But so far, what do you guys think of the ditch lights? I would definitely not be out here if I just had my normal headlights on. Now I just need ditch lights behind me. We're gonna head up this way though. I'm gonna need 4 high, it looks like. Just spinning a little bit here. But now I can see why people have lights like that in their rear bumpers, because, I mean, the camera's doing a great job. Oh, there's a tree right there, isn't there? All right, so I guess we'll head back the other way and see what that has to offer. Well, I mean, that was cool so far.
Yeah.
I wish we could have gone into the creek, but...
Just, I mean, if you're wanting to demonstrate the brightness of the lights, I mean, it's definitely helping.
Yeah. Can you watch that tree for me?
I feel like you're too close to it.
I just don't want to hit this log back here.
Oh, no, you're good.
We're good?
Yeah.
I know, this is just a tight area, but I'll show you guys another demonstration here with the lights off. See, I can see nothing over there, now on again. It definitely helps angling that driver's side one, and obviously if I did that on the passenger side as well.
Yeah, like stop right here and just turn all your lights off, but just like the regular lights.
So ditch lights are off, high beams are off, fog lights are off, and now all the lights are off.
Ooh.
So we'll do normal headlights and then high beams. Add the fog lights, which you probably won't be able to see with the headlights. There we go. So fog lights, headlights, and then ditch lights. All right, so we're going down this trail now, right off of the road closed sign there. Well, comment down below, you guys. How many of you have gone off-road when it was pitch black outside? This is the first time I've done it. I'm not at an off-road park or anything. So, it's
like an off-road park.
Yeah. It's not bad. There's some obstacles to do stuff in. There's
this way?
Yeah, there's a building up there, like a torn down building, and some beds.
Oh.
And stuff. Like people have,
we're not going to be into
lived here.
Uh-huh.
This is very, very tight. It was not like this last time.
Oh Lord.
Yeah. It wasn't like this last time. All that rain probably made these
That's all that rocks.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's like the concrete pad, like what I got to drive over that other time.
Yeah. So we're coming up to some pretty large, well, I guess with all the rain now, these are going to be even deeper mud holes. When you start to get down in here, this is like a part of the park. But I feel like, I hope I can backtrack. At nighttime, it's going to be harder to see where the trail is. But I'll try to show them, I'll show you guys a clip of what this looks like during the day. And I just have to remember how to turn around. I think I'm going to show you guys one outside clip going down this hill. It's nothing crazy. You know, the truck is way more capable than this, but just to show you guys an outside perspective with the lights on, and then we'll turn around and go back up that. All right, that was a good idea. I need some rear-facing ditch lights. That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. My first time taking the truck off-road. I know it wasn't anything crazy. The truck can do a lot more. We do have some off-road adventures to some parks that we are planning, so we can really see how this truck performs. Not only airing out, but all the crawl control and everything like that. And then also being able to take this out at nighttime. So look forward to seeing those videos coming in the future. We have to plan those out and get this truck on some more off-roading adventures. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video.